Hello everyone, Constantino the broker. I'm selling this beautiful house here in Orange Park, 1780 Bartlett Avenue. I will be here every Saturday from 1 to 4. I'll be here every Saturday from 1 to 4. As you can see, my last couple of days. My open house size. This is a 4-2, about 1,900 square feet with a 2-car garage, as you can see. And it's about 2,500 of total living area, 1,900 under AC. So this house has a lot of potential. It's on the market for $345. It's vacant. Just go on showing time, and I'll just click the showing time icon, and you will get the lockbox combination. So I'm available 7 days a week. Constantino the broker, 904-452-3895. And I'll see you guys next Saturday.